Honorable Doctor, other dignitaries sitting at the front from the faculties, and my colleague in the High Court, the learned advocates who are on way to become judges of the High Court in times to come. They are already qualified to be judged, but they have to wait for their chance. Participants of all the law schools throughout India and law students and honorable guests. It's a matter of great pleasure for me to be here this afternoon, to be part of this function, which is a unique function because the presence of the whole of India legal fraternity is here. Almost 20, as I came to know that at least 22 law schools have participated, and the best of the participants have been awarded, and all other participants have been given certificates. This is gratifying. It would go a long way to strengthen them, to go ahead with their mission, legal education, and to find the rightful place in their life. Today, when I see an atmosphere like this charged with the message of empowerment of the youngsters through this legal education, I am thrilled. It reminds me of the day when the legal education was not considered to be like that which is considered to be today. I would like to choose this occasion to share some of my perceptions with the law and justice all through my career of 45 years. When I was when I went straight away from graduation in the year 1966 from Rajasthan College, when I went to seek my admission to the University School of Law, I was called by the principal. He asked me, "Gentlemen, why are you coming here? Why don't you go some of the post-graduation and get a degree and get an employment of a lecturer if you get a high good class, good division or first class? So you are already having very good percentage in your graduation." I said, "No sir, I want to know, I want to read the law." He said, "Why? I want to know this." Then I would say something to him. I said, "Okay, sir, when I was a small child in a village, I had an occasion to see a strange situation." "What was that?" he asked. "Sir, a policeman had come to the village. And what I found, the villagers running towards the fields and in jungle. And some of them would not run away. They would go just inside their houses and bolt the door from inside. When he had gone from over there, I asked the villagers who are elderly persons, what happened? Why you are afraid of? Why you went away all the way? They told me, here is the policeman. He can catch all of us. They might arrest and take us to the police station. Why? How he can? He's the only person. How? They told me that he has got law with them. With him. He can do that. Then it was my curiosity as to I should understand what the law is so that I can take care of my interest of interest of the society. Once what happened? I happened to talk to some of the army officers. They asked me very strange question. They said, "Sir, I want to know one thing, sir. What? There are judgments after judgments in the case, and nobody knows which judgment is to be applied in which case. And the Supreme Court and other courts are passing judgments. That very law is being repeated. But here in our army, what happens? If there is a triangle that is to be posed to the high command, the army command, and army command would just give the solution and everybody would be abiding by that and there is no change. So that is certain. You know what is that? But here your life is very flexible, nobody knows. The judgment runs in the pages. What it is all about. I said, we have to understand it in different perspectives. We have to understand that the social needs are always changing. And the court, and everybody, may it be legislature or the parliament or anybody, lawmaking body or the court, they have to keep their fingers on the pulses of the society. The society is not meant for the law, law is meant for the society. So we have to cater the needs of the society. And you are here to have the challenge, face the challenge. And what type of need is required, what is needed to the social. What is the social need? What is the need of the nation? I will tell you, sir, there has been instances when the law was taken to be in a direction this was not required. There what happened? The dictates of it, the rent was the law, and we have come out of that phase. And we have to have the law in the project manner. These students and the participants are having a bright future. Sky is their limit of their success. They are going to cater the needs of the present day. And I hope that by empowering themselves in the manner which they have been being empowered by mention of these good courts and the legal education, they are the best suited persons who can face the challenge of life, face the challenge of the world. At this moment of concluding session of this group course, I congratulate all the participants and I congratulate all those who have succeeded and all others. I extend my good wishes. I also thank the organization of this meeting. Thank you very much.